Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Red Bull TV app to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you have a Hisense Smart TV like mine and want to install Red Bull TV app, here's what to do. You can start by searching through to make sure the application is not yet installed default or automatically. If it's not, update your Android TV or update your Hisense Smart TV and open the App Store. Now, your app store, there are two things you can do. You can go over to news or to application categories and try to browse through and find the application. But the simplest thing to do or the quickest thing to do, just go over to the search box here and type in the name application, which in this case is Red Bull TV. So I'm just going to come over here and type in Red Bull TV because that's the app we're looking for. I can just type in Red Bull and I search, and I'm going to get the application Red Bull TV. Here's it over here. Click on it once and it's just going to bring you to your app information over here. And then once what you have to do once you're here, you just click install and the application is going to install straight away to your Hisense Smart TV. Now once it's installed, you choose where to position it and you're good to go. And that's the Red Bull TV application installed to a Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.